What if you could boost productivity, increase efficiency, and achieve greater organizational growth with just a single click? Achieve greater performance and reduce costs with the technology at your fingertips. Enter Zietra, featuring RPA 2.0 Smart Robotic Process Automation. It doubles up as your smart work buddy and allows for greater productivity while eliminating human errors. Our solution is focused on augmenting business and systems with AI across the entire value chain of an organization. This is how Zietra propels your organization to greater heights. Increase capacity by up to 50% without having to hire additional talent. Eliminate costly errors while improving overall ROI and user experience. Deliver up to 50% in cost savings. Slash processing time by up to 50% by embedding intelligent automation. 100% data accuracy that enables data-driven insights and smart decisions. Zietra offers several ready-to-use and custom-built automation solutions across different industries. Bring in the positive change to your business through Zietra. Speak to us now for a free demo.